Hashtag how to use Google Docs for collaborative music score composition and editing. Scene asterisk a split screen showing a Google Doc on one side and a music notation software on the other. Monologue asterisk. Energetic and enthusiastic tone. Hey fellow musicians! Tired of juggling multiple programs for composing and editing music scores? Well, say hello to Google Docs, your new secret weapon for collaborative music creation. First, open a Google Doc and install the Music Notation add-on. Boom, instant sheet music editor. Start composing directly in the document, adding notes, rests, dynamics, and even lyrics. Now, here's the magic: share the document with your bandmates or collaborators. They can access it from anywhere, add their parts, and leave comments in real time. No more emailing messy PDFs or struggling with version control. Need to hear how your masterpiece sounds? Simply export the score to your favorite music notation software. Google Docs automatically converts all the notation into a playable format. So ditch the clunky software and embrace the power of Google Docs for your next collaborative music project. It's free, accessible, and surprisingly powerful. Trust me, your inner Mozart will thank you. End scene.